Good Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt, and yes, we've come to that day, the day of the big warm-up. We were talking about this, and we've been talking about this for quite some time. Record warmth headed our way for this Tuesday afternoon, and already not a bad start to the day. Now, it's just a couple minutes after 7:30 this morning, and we knew this is a process. It's going to be a big warm-up behind a warm front. It's going to take several hours for us to get into the 60s. In fact, right now, we're officially still in the 30s. But that even at that, that's pretty warm for this time of the year. Normally, we would be topping out in the mid or upper 30s for high temperatures, and we start the day there. And we have a day filled with sunshine and a pretty gusty south wind ahead of us. It's going to be a windy, warm day. Not a perfect day in that regard because I do think it's going to be rather windy, but it's going to be an overall very mild day. And if you're into that type of thing, if you love April weather, this is kind of it. You know, you've got the wind, you've got the big warm-up, the sunshine, the 60s, that really is what we're looking at right now for today. Record high. 59, the current record coming into today. I do think we'll make our way at least into the low and maybe even mid-60s by this afternoon. But right now, kind of a cool, crisp start to the day. A little breezy out there. Winds right now still in that 15-mile-per-hour range. Here's a look at the day planner. Some sunshine. By the time we get to lunchtime, about 58 degrees or so. 59 is the record. So shortly after noon, I do think we will reach and then eventually surpass that record. Look for high temperatures today around 63. That'll happen at around 3 o'clock this afternoon, 3:30, maybe 4 o'clock, with the south winds very much on the gusty side. 18 miles per hour, maybe the average wind speed. We're talking gusts of 35 miles per hour at time. And the wind chill this morning, we see those wind chill levels in the 30s to around 40. Way into the afternoon, not an issue. The wind chill right around the low 60s, not even being really calculated at that point. 38 degrees right now in Rochester. Feels like 31 here in the 7 o'clock hour. It's definitely a bite to that breeze. Not really strong winds, but you really notice it when it's a little chilly like this. So you'll still need a jacket here to start the day. And, it is March. You should, have one nearby. But you may be able to shed that jacket by around 10:30, 11 o'clock this morning and enjoy just a great-looking afternoon of some warmth. 38 right now in Rochester. It's 43 in Austin. Mason City, 38 and 40 in La Crosse. Precision radar. Dry now. We are looking at spotty showers way north of us. To the west is a storm system coming in. That's going to push a warm front through the area. We'll be in the warm sector of the system throughout the day with gusty winds. And then tonight into tomorrow is that cold front from the west that's in the mountains. That gets closer, and that'll eventually generate some rain chances for us. And then tomorrow a little bit cooler with an unsettled Wednesday in store. But today, windy and warm. Plenty of sunshine, gusts to 30 to 35 miles per hour, 60s. And then tonight, here come the clouds, and here come the showers. A couple of very sparse showers will be possible around midnight. The better chance of rain starting around sunrise tomorrow. A big chunk of the morning hours. Early afternoon, a little bit of thunder is possible as the center of another storm system riding along just behind that cold front comes through. And then as that then draws in some breezier, chilly weather for Wednesday night and Thursday, but snow chances stay way north of us, so we're not worried about accumulation here. That's central and western Minnesota for that. A few inches possible there, but for us, it's going to be a quieter situation after this. Clouds, then some sun on Thursday with a brisk breeze and temperatures only in the 40s. This is definitely a change from what we're looking at right now. 63 in Rochester, Winona 65, Mason City 65, and Albert Lea 64. Winds out of the south gusting to 30 miles per hour. For tonight, some showers, mostly cloudy skies, 42. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two by early afternoon. 54. Northeast winds around 10 to 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow night, things dry out. We'll have a brisk breeze. And Thursday, a gradual clearing, 40s there. And then Friday and Saturday, actually pretty nice. Low and mid 40s. Not as warm, but still lighter winds and abundant sunshine. It gets a little messier on your 7 day as we get closer to Sunday. Now, this is an interesting situation. Now, the storm system comes in. That'll be mainly in the afternoon. We start seeing some rain, maybe a couple snowflakes mixing in. By Sunday night, there is a chance as we drop below freezing, we'll see maybe some minor accumulation of snowfall. Right now, it doesn't look like a huge system. Of course, we're going to be watching this over time, though. Still days away. We could see some accumulation, we'll put it that way, heading into the first light of day on Monday with the chance of some sparse rain and snow showers during the rest of the day. Another storm system comes in late next Tuesday into Wednesday. Another chance of rain late next Tuesday. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, that's St. Patrick's Day, a week from tomorrow, there's a chance for a rain-snow mixture with maybe some minor accumulation by Wednesday evening or Wednesday night of next week. So we are looking at still some elements of winter there, or shall we say the elements of typical mid-March weather, which has typically a little spring and a little winter. That's normally how it goes this time of the year. You get a little gasp of warmth, then you get a little bit of a cool down, you get a little bit of rain, you get a little snow, and every once in a while a little thunder, and in between some nice sunshine. We have all of that coming up in the next few days. So with that in mind, hope everybody has a great day. Enjoy the record warmth today, and then don't forget the umbrella. Tomorrow we're going to have ½ to an inch of rain through the course of our Wednesday, with maybe even a little thunder, but not severe weather tomorrow. Have a great Tuesday. We'll see you back here on Hump Day.